Hello lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are plucking some baobab fruits from the baobab tree, just like what you are seeing on your screen. So this is how we pluck baobab fruits from the baobab tree in an African village. I will show you how they climb the tree when the next person is climbing to pluck the fruits.
Kanalum. Time yiria. Time yiria.
So my friends here will climb the tree and they will use a long stick. This long stick you are seeing, that is what they will use to pluck the baobab fruits from the tree when they climb. So Meshach here is climbing the tree to pluck some of the fruits, and this is how he climbs. Please let me know in the comment section below, have you climbed a baobab tree before, or can you climb a baobab tree? I would like to know in the comment section. And please take note, it's not only the males that can climb the tree, even the females in this village can also climb the baobab tree. When you look closely, you see someone already at the topmost part of the tree plucking some of the fruits.
The spider.
Here we have our fruits lying on the ground. Please, if you have watched to this point and you haven't liked the video, kindly give the video a thumbs up to help support my channel, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much for doing that. Here we have one of the tiny baobab fruits, so we'll open it and then you see how inside looks. So this is how the baobab fruit looks like when it's opened. This is the fruit, and I have a video on how to make baobab fruit juice, so please, if you are interested, kindly check the link in the description below. I missed the part where they were cracking the fruits, but here are the covers of the baobab fruits. So they finished cracking the fruits already, and these are the covers, and here we have our baobab fruits. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and click the notification bell to get notified. See you in our next video.